So hello class, what we're doing today is I'm going to be racing myself to see how fast I can do the lyrics program. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm on the page right now and I'm going through, I need to download this file. I'm going to say open, this file, say open, and I'm going to open up my Java and make a new class. I'm going to copy and paste the code in. And then what I need to do is, oops, I copied the wrong one in, so I'm going to go back, copy pasta. Now in the reader, what I want to do is take over the import statements. And now I want to copy the entire reader into the writer. Just leaving that. I think I copied over one squirrely bracket too many. And right above the bw.write, I'm going to paste in and delete one of the squirrely brackets because I did one too many. I'm going to cut the write into the while loop, make s current line right here, and add in the bw.newline to make it enter on the file. And now when I compile and run this, it will work. Ooh, is it new capital L? There it is. So now what I need to do is I need to create the input file. So I need to go and get my lyrics. So I need to go into my documents and I need to go to the folder. Where the heck's the folders? Why do they do this to me? There we go. Object. So now I need to make an input. So I'm going to go new text document. I'm going to call it input. And I'm going to say, ha ha ha, Mr. Fenson, you are so lame. You think you are so smart. Yet it takes you so long to program. Mwahahaha. Thanks for the headache. I'm gonna save my lyrics, and I'm also going to put a little space in there because that's what your lyrics will have or should have. And now when I compile and run this, it prints to the screen and also prints to output.txt. Now what I need to do is I'm done with these two files, don't save. I need to input the scanner example, so I'm going to open that up. And in the scanner example, I need to copy over the import statement. I also need to copy over the next line right here. And I'm going to put that above the try, because I don't need to put it in the try. And I also need to create the new scanner. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this UI, because I'm lazy, my user input. And so this string name is going to be that. We're all set there. And I'm going to say, actually I don't want to get that. I want to get my next int. So I'm going to go like that. I'm going to say this is my rule number. And this is UI because I changed it to UI. And I'm going to say, what rule would you like to run? And I need to put more stuff in there, but I'm not ready for that yet. So now I have that all done. Now I need to go to the switch case Java program, open that up. And I need my rules. In the while loop, I need to paste the rules. I need to tab this in. And now I need to cut this everywhere. Oops. And I need two more rules. See that I'm doing the lyrics program right now if you want to watch. if you have time. I'm almost done with it. So now I have this switch case. I need to do case 4 and case 5. And now I need to say, let's make this print line, shift tab, and rule 1 is Fensonator. One, two, three, four, 5. Rule 2 is, I'm going to copy and paste. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do A to Z. Let's do the length rule. Let's do hash code. And let's do upper, to upper. So now I need to do a do while for error checking. So I'm going to say do this. While rule number is less than 1 or rule number is greater than 5. I need to now define rule number outside of the default statement so I can use it all throughout, otherwise it's not going to exist. I just gotta check on my game real quick. I'm fishing right now in Stardew Valley. It's already macroed. I just caught a sardine and I found a book, but my inventory is full, so I gotta pause it. Yup, and instead I caught a fish. There we go. Now it's paused. So now I have that all set up. This is going to work. So now what I have to do is I have to make these rules. So I'm going to copy pasta down to my while statements. I'm going to do a bulk comment code so I can see what I have to do. I want rule A to Z. So now I have to go to Skofushan and go down to the lyrics, which I'm going to control F string. String. Oh, I also need that one code bit right here. Where is it? I can't read apparently. No. That was the fix, right? Yeah. So I need to put right here, in order for it to work, I'm going to say int y equals next line, string y. That's just to make it so that this always works, because the user's going to put enter, and then I'm going to grab that enter, and then it's going to restart. So that'll make it so that it won't crap out. And then I need to make the rules. So I want A to Z, so I go to my string rule, string functions, on school function. Do. So I'm going to do control F replace. Replace. It jumps me right to here. So it returns a string, functions replace, char with char. So that means I need to go here, s.currentLine.replace character A with character Z. And I need to copy pasta right there. Now I have that one done. Length is sCurrentLine.length. Copy pasta. And now I need hash code. So I'm going to go control F hash code. And it finds it instantly. So it's literally just int hash code returns an int. So I want to go dot hash code. And this is going to be an int, so I have to concatenate it with a string. And I'm going to copy pasta. Ooh, that's rule 4. Crap. This is rule 3. This is going to kill my time. Where's rule 1? Oh gosh, I don't know how to count. I'm going to do replace all. Oh, this is the fencinator. So replace. So anywhere I see, let's do this string OO with fencinator, fencinatoro. That'll be funny. Naturo. Good enough. I need another one there. So, right there. So I have the fencinator rule, I have the A to Z, I have length, I have hash code, I gotta copy pasta hash code. And now I need rule 5. Rule 5 is to upper. So control F to upper, and it's to uppercase. And because I'm lazy, so literally to uppercase, delete, and I am now done with the program. So time that out right now. Let's compile. And I know I don't code with errors, and there's one. There's going to be another one. What? Oh, this is UI. What? What? Psh. What? There we go. So now that's done. Okay. Add a little bit of time on there now. Now let's go and compile. I'm technically done with the program. Ooh, I didn't change the name, didn't comment, all that jazz. But let's do rule number 1. And rule number 1 looks like it changed all the A's to Z's. So that was not rule number 1. What was happening? Oh, because I didn't comment out break. And let's see here. I want to change so that I can show you that it works. On the input, let's put a control a little double O so that you see that that works. So now when I run this, Unschool Fusion. No, it's not Unschool Fusion. Now when I run this, rule number 1 works. Fencinator on the double O's. Nothing else changed. If I run it again, put number 2, all the A's are Z's. Run it again, rule number 3, the length. Run it again, rule number 4, that's the hash code. And run it again, rule number 5, to upper. Done. Peace out, my computer matho students. I will talk to you on the end line. So lame. See you later.